Hey, so I was really wanting to set up my camp today and have movie night tonight. But look, why is it raining? Why is it raining? My camp chair's soaked. Look, I put it up on the table and now I got strawberries. I got a few of them. Look at that. I guess I could blow it up. Had to blow that back up. Oh. It's standing again. Much better, much better. So yeah, I was gonna put the tent over there, the movie screen over there, under the tree, in front of the garden. Have a whole little sitting area in between. Just ruined my plans. Maybe it'll stop raining. I don't know. Check out my garden. I had to prune some of these back because they are awfully yellow and they need to be this color, and they're only producing male flowers. I need female flowers. But I've got these cute little cucumbers. Look how cute. Hopefully those will be big cucumbers. There's going to be cucumbers on that one. I'm getting all the tomatoes, except this plant has no tomatoes on it. No flowers, no nothing. And the leaves are curled. And somebody tell me what's up with that. Because I don't know. I'd like to know. And this one says it's Golden Jubilee. They look round on the little picture. But look at that shape. Like, they're all different shapes. I guess they're heirloom. So cool. They're going to be yellow. Yeah, so I don't know. Hopefully it'll stop raining. Maybe it'll stop raining because I want to have movie night. I planned on movie night. Let's go check on the rest of the garden. Y'all, my kale is doing its thing. They're getting big. My carrots are getting big. I got more squash. My marigolds, I did those from seeds. I'll have big pretty flowers here soon. Got a bunch of little tomatoes. Aren't they cute? And my green beans. Look at these cute little beans. The cutest little beans ever. Look at that. The cutest little green beans ever. Oh yeah. And my garden is loving this rain. It's not a fan of the city water, even though we have pretty good water quality here. My garden is not a fan. It prefers the real thing. Look, I'm trying to grow sweet potato slips. I've got some. They're growing, so maybe I can eventually plant some sweet potatoes. Got more green beans. Look at these tomatoes. Aren't they cute? But the rain killed all of my plans. Why does rain always kill my plans? It's supposed to stop, but then I think it's going to rain for the rest of the week. So this sucks. But I'm off work tomorrow. And I'd like to have a movie night tonight. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully in about an hour, it'll stop raining. I can set up a tent, set up the screen, maybe do the fire pit. I don't know. I wanted my grandson to come over. We'll figure this out. Rain sucks. My plants love it, but the rain sucks. I don't know. Tune in next time and we'll figure out if it stops raining or not. Hopefully it stops raining. Hopefully I can set up my tent and watch a movie outside. I don't know. I'll let y'all know. See y'all later.